Hi and welcome to HTML tutorial for beginners. In this lesson, we will cover the main tag. This tag is used to indicate the main content of the document, which should be unique to the current page. It should not include repetitive sections or informations such as menus, sidebars, site logos, copyright information, and search forms. The exception to search forms is if the page is dedicated to search. Then you could have a search form within the main tags. You can only add one main tag per page. It cannot be positioned inside a header, a nav, an article, an aside, or a footer tag. The main tag is beneficial for visitors who use a screen reader as it lets them identify the main information quickly and they can navigate to it easier. Let's implement a page with a main tag. Here I have my website. I already added a header tag and a navigation in the previous episode of this tutorial. Now I also want to add the main content. First, I add the opening and closing main tags. Inside, I will add a heading tag, an image, and some information about the inventor of HTML, Tim Berners-Lee. To keep this video short, I will copy-paste this in. Now, if I save this and load the page, this is how the HTML is rendered in the browser. I quickly wanted to point out that the main tag is not supported by Internet Explorer 11 or older versions. If your site has to be compatible with these, the recommendation is to add the role attribute and assign it main so that Internet Explorer also knows what the main content of the page is. This is it for this lesson. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. In the next episode, I will cover the article and section tag and I will explain what they are used for. If you like this video, please subscribe for web development tutorials. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!